Okay. Um, oops. Sorry. That hit a lot harder than I thought it would. Are we back? Are we functional? Are we okay? Is everyone good? Does everyone have their pants on? Oh, congratulations on the first. We're back. Hello, Ben. I'm scared to launch Unity. To be honest, I'm gonna be real. I'm gonna be a little scared to launch Unity, but I think we'll be okay. We have our little. I mean, we have our camera shake. That's all I really needed. And then we have the due time scale, which is gonna be another whole ordeal, and we'll be fine. Where's my? Sorry, I guess there's ads. I love how quirky stream is, and they just go crash your stream, haha. Make everyone watch ads again. I'm like, oh, thank you. Let me look. This is not a valid resolution for NVenc. I wonder if it's like the monitors or something. Okay, I guess we have to watch these anyways, so it's fine. Invalid param. Multipass. Multipass mode. Doesn't work. Invalid parameter. I cannot read any of this. Unbelievable, I miss it again. You know, I didn't want to make a comment, but you did it for me, so I guess that works. Sorry, Zenith. Should I make a second so that way you guys have a first and a second? How about that? So that way you guys are like, wow, I'm actually second. Crazy. I think it's because I did the OBS thing and I was like, yeah, you could fuck with it. I feel like all of my downfall has been like me enabling the NVIDIA app. If I become a mod, I'm banning everyone so I can get first. Then if you realize that makes me not want to mod you, right? Oh my god, I'm gonna ban Zenith so they can't get it. But what? But what? What is the but? But love that. I love ass. Me too. But me too. I have one of this. But Peach, I agree. Highly agree. I highly agree with that one. The stable channel too. Huh. 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 Peter. Medium quality. Streaming, multipass, single pass. Is it single pass? What the freak? Is this not doing the same thing? Oh no, video encoder using stream encoder. Okay. But okay. If my stream crashes, it's because I'm loading up Unity. And it has done it before, so I'm very expecting it to do it. This is why you have Unity before, and then you start streaming. I think it's like, if I have like too many things up, it'll just like fucking eat ass. That's fine. Oh my god, guys, the game is functioning.
Crazy. He's crying. What the fuck? Oh. Oh. Oh dear. Oh, poo.
You guys want me to do a voice impression stream? Stream challenge. Take one shot if he makes a voice. No, you guys are dead. Don't do that. I cannot with the voice.
Oh, poo. No. Oh, Tigger. What the fuck?
I'm putting the poos in my head.
Oh, Tigger. Let me get some of that springy ass.
Okay, anyways, we can get back to it. Right now we have that time stop. And that's like the big thing I need to figure out. Unity time stop. Someone was like, oh, all you have to do is just do this thing. I'm like, what the fuck is that? Unity time stop. How to freeze time in Unity. Stopping time. Dishonor style. No. How to set up Dio's time stop. God damn it. Sometimes some people make things and I'm like, no. Five game juice. Swaying grass. Procedural. Falling leaf particles. Birds. Water fountain. This isn't really juice. How do you make your game juicier with these rules? Don't animate everything at once.
The simplest example of that is
Create anticipation. Scale intensity based on action. Add randomness. Layer things. Bonus. Break the rules. My favorite thing I watched was there was a person and oh, there has been a thing about like, I'm like, I don't know. I've been seeing a lot more game dev content creators come out, which I'm really happy with. Because, you know, I get motivated. I'm like, wow, I can do things. And then they don't, obviously. Oh, we need to switch the category. We are no longer playing Zenless Zone Zero. We're playing Game Dev. Game Dev. There we go. But I feel like there's a weird line of like, I've seen this before, like on people on like Reddit and shit were complaining about it. Like people, when people do game dev streams or like when they do game dev content, some people like make games and then like have the content come out of that, right? And there are people who just make content or like they make games for content, and I think it's a very like easy distinction for me. I've been trying to like see how I want to go about like doing this, because I want to like, you know, do more game dev stream, do more game stuff. Oh, he wants to make more games. Ugh, what a fucking loser. But like I want to make stuff out of it, right? But like some people just like, man, some people really just make, they really just make, like, I feel like they're just making games for content rather than the other way around. Making content because you're making games, kind of thing. Thank you, Game Maker Toolkit.
Vlambeer also likes to pause the game for a split second when you hit or kill an enemy, just to make those impacts more impactful. You see this in fighting games too.
Remember the Game Maker Toolkit game's coming out in like a couple of months. He's like, hello, it's me, Mark Brown. I'm going to be making a game. And it took him like 2 years. Which like I very much expected. He's like, I've spent 2 years of my fucking life. Now I have to release it. I've met Mark Brown. He's very nice. He's like such a cool dude. I love him. He's great.
Similar effects can make playable characters feel like they're really part of the world, like tiny dust particles when you hit the ground and recoil when you fire a gun. And sound effects are key. Make them bassy and loud. A gun shouldn't sound like this. It should sound like this.
Whoa! Sorry, if you hear the extra noises, I'm just watching. Oh my god, we need to talk about the video essay epidemic too. Holy shit. That's the other thing that kind of irks me.
Hey guys, welcome to my deep dive video essay about X topic.
It's a summary. So in oh my god, dude. Every time I see those, I kind of like cry a little bit in the inside. I'm not gonna lie. I'm like, please, please. Please, please, please don't prove I'm right. Guys, should I riff like Sabrina Carpenter? How does Sabrina riff? Yeah. I don't, that's bad. Shut up. Never mind. Guys, tell me to shut up. Chat, is this real? Is he really doing this? No, overlay camera exists. That's fine. What do I need? Post. Processing. FX. How did Quibbly handle their post processing? I don't know what I'm running around with. Editor, effects, scripts. It's fine. It wasn't in their URP, was it? Quibbly renderer? Oh, it might have been. Effects, color grading, stylized, detailed. Oh, wait, no. That's Quibbly post process. Asset labels. How do I add post processing again? I want to just say it's. Can I just look for Quibbly? No. Effects. Not rendering effects. Load a burp. I'm so sorry. Oh, post processing wasn't enabled. Okay. So we can turn on something. Video. Post. Process. Effects. Effects? Effect. No. Oh, this is why we Google. Oh, rendering. Duh. Rendering. Canvas renderer. Never mind. This is all wrong. Cam era. Rendering. Playables. Physics. Physics 2D. Navigation. Miscellaneous. Oh no. You stupid. So sorry. The voice keeps coming out. I really don't know what to do. How to add post processing Unity. That didn't. Why didn't it fill? Why didn't it fill in? Please.
Many of us want our games to look.
The loud audible sigh. Set up post processing in 5 minutes? Yeah. Please.
Hi there, I'm Mitchell from Brain Farts.
Please.
And on the package manager window,
Please. Oh my
next,
god.
create a post-processing profile. In the project panel, right-click, select Create, then Post-Processing Profile. Rename it to whatever you want. I'm going to use PP Profile because I think it's.
I'm gonna use PP profile.
Rename it to
What do we do?
select
Create
then Post-Processing.
post processing profile. Never mind. I'm gonna name mine PP profile. Is it because I just don't have it? Oh my god. How did I do this? Oh my god. Post processing should be enabled with It might not be enabled actually. Post. Let me see if it's the same one I was using before.
Rename it to whatever you want. I'm going to use PP Profile. If you ever want to reuse the effect in the future, Profile the game back onto here and assign it to the main. You're going to create it in add. But none of the options. In less than 5 minutes, you've successfully added post-processing.
Remember, I'm supposed to be doing time stop right now. We are not doing time stop right now. Have a good night and stream. Good luck with the grind. Good night, Baku. Sleep well. Thank you for stopping by. Well, I don't like coding.
Coding is my hated.
Damn, this shit is taking so long to import. Oh my god. There we go. Now we have our little thing. Art, we can put an art. We just need post processing in there. There we go. We just drag this motherfucker in the camera and we're good. Thank God. Never mind. I don't know how this works. Oh, there we go. Post-processing layer. There we go. Everything. No anti-aliasing. Do not use everything or it will slow the volume blending process. Oh, there we go. My bad. Layer mixed. Unity. Auto exposure. Yeah, turn that chromatic aberration on. Yeah, it's not working. How did I do this? How the fuck do I get it to work? Oh god. Hey, you, asshole. Turn on your post-processing. What the freak? Bloom, color grading. Lens distortion, please. Oh god. Yeah, something's not working. How did I get it to work last time? Hmm. $18-minute tutorial. Oh, okay. The thing I was using just doesn't work. Good to know. Oh, that's broken too. I don't know what that is. Default renderer is missing. Make sure the renderer is assigned the current US. Oh, okay. Yes. Right there. Global volume. Ugh. What the fuck even is this for? It's fine. Post processing. Chromatic aberration. Yes! Okay. I knew I was doing something wrong. Oh, man, fuck you, Unity. Getting rid of this. Not working. This clearly just doesn't want to work. And I waited all that time for what? Okay. We love a little chromatic aberration in our lives. Stylized detail. Oh, he's so crunchy. Edge preserve? Do you guys preserve your edge? It's a joke. Just shut up. Just keep making the game, man. Panini projection. Would you guys play my game if it looked like this?
Good. Everything is working. Everything is in place.
We're doing pretty good. I don't know if I really need to do anything else. What was the last thing I needed? Okay, the last thing I really wanted to do was time stop. And then after that, I can just work on the art and sound effects for the rest of the week. And then we're good. Like, that's basically it. That's basically it, man. Oh, let me back. Man, stop him from fucking coding. I think I want to make sure I have bullets shoot. So that's a little layer too. Oh, yeah, he's fucking shitting or something, I don't know. Okay, manager, shoot part. Oh, that's too long, actually. Thought it'd be fine. 1 second is actually a lot longer than I thought it would be. 0.69. Shouldn't hardcode it, but here we are. Oh, the game's not even running. Hmm. I cast Catboy Confusion. We are not a Catboy. We're actually a wolf. Oh, living death. Sorry, I'm a little locked in right now. I hope you're doing well. I'm just looking at code. So, sorry, that's the wall. It's more like I cast Confusion on you. Well, what if his name was misleading? He's not actually a cat. It's true. I have a lore reason for it. I'm not saying it for a while. I don't know if I ever want to change my name either. It's kind of the hard part. 'Cause I had this before I decided to stream. I was like, it's such a funny little name. And just stuck on for so well. I was like, oh. I never actually really wanted to be a cat when I started streaming. I wanted to be a wolf. A wolf was originally, like a werewolf was my original OC. Hair, ears, potato, tomato. This is a wolf tail, sir. I got the wolf ears too. I actually don't, I purposely made sure I didn't get cat ears. And then like message so many people, I was like, I know, no, it's gonna be a wolf. Now it's confusing, the name's like fucking backwards. Checking some notifications before I continue. Have a couple of people messaging me about things. Oh, I'm like setting a TwitchCon. I just need to figure out which day. Oh man, dude, what do we need to do? It was this. That's like kind of fucking with me. Because the lerp takes more than the duration. It'd be funny if I just... no, I don't want that. Because it won't stop shaking if I remove the timer. Maybe I will just get rid of the time. No, because that makes it... no. No. It's fine. How did it look like without time? I should probably tell Danny to never press spacebar. I can just remove the code, to be honest, but it'd be funny. I'm like, Danny, you can just press spacebar to shake people up. S. O. SOIOOTO. Soyos. Your Honor, he keeps talking about Chapel Roan. It was funny because I didn't know how to pronounce Chapel Roan's name for a while. I was like, is that Chapel Roan or is that Chapel? And I kept spelling it like Chappelle. Sorry, I was a little uncultured this summer. I'm better now. I've improved. I'm hotter. I'm little H-O-T-T-O-G-O. H-O-T-T-O-G-O. You can take me how to go. Actually, still don't really like that song that much. I think it's a fun song, but I don't really like it as much as their other music. When Chapel Roan was starting to blow up, I was like, I don't really. I mean, like, I thought it was a good song. It just wasn't like my kind of song. I was like, yeah, it's all right. And then I was like, oh, how's the other ones? I'm like, oh, these ones I love. These ones I fuck with. H-O-T-T-O-G-O. You can take hot go. God, if I were able to play music right now, it'd be so nice. Look at that. Look at what happens when they get closer. Their chromatic aberration gets harder. Crazy. Whoa. Oh. POV. How do you think he did it? Right? That's how he did it. I will die on that hill, actually. There's no other way. Do you guys ever think about that, man? Do you think he's doing okay? I think about that a lot. Oh god, I remember because it was a big like lockdown meme. And it was fine. And then like someone, oh, why is it so blurry? Is it the post-processing? Oh, it is. It's a chromatic aberration, isn't it? Oh wow. What is it? Is lens distortion? It's lens distortion. Oh, because we're scaling it. Okay, just keep it at 1. Oh. Okay, trade-offs. I don't know, man. I think about them a lot. I really hope they're doing it okay. They're like, my girlfriend just doesn't want me to. My girlfriend she can just recognize the beat, and everyone's like, what the fuck? What do you mean she can just recognize it? He was like, I just started thinking about the song instead of just playing it. I don't know, man. If I was her, I'd actually just leave. No. If you're getting it down and then you go no. We're not doing this. I'm out. I'm so out. No. Nuh-uh. 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 Really? Is this one chromatic aberration? Oh. We're using like fine zoom right now. Wow, it does make it a little bit blurrier. We don't need it super intense, but we do need it to be threshold. Ah! Right to mind you guys. I want to see what's the, if I did intensity. Lord, the threshold is too low. Bring it back down to like 1 or something. Dun, 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 dun. Look, even this is getting it. Oh, he's being chromatic aberrated. Okay. Now we need to find a tutorial on how to do time stop. Time stop. Adding hit stop.
That's actually normally how you would stop a game for a pause menu. What we're doing here is actually pretty similar to that. Most of the time you'll be setting timescale to either 0 or 1, but you can also set it to other values for things like slow motion. This timescale variable is just a member of the time class, which you may have seen used to get the game's time with time.time. You may have also seen time.deltaTime, which tells you how long it took to draw the last frame. These are all just related things held within the time class. If you want, you can check the Unity documentation on
Juicy
time and
boys.
see everything you can do with it. I'll leave a link in the description down below. The next thing we need to do here is implement the duration before we set back our timescale. You can't just put some kind of wait here. That won't work inside this function.
H.
Because this function wants to just execute one line after another. And then once it's done, it has to pass control back to where it was called and execute that stuff. You can't just have it hanging up here. What we actually need to do is call a coroutine. If you're new to coroutines, the best way to learn is just to dive in, so let's do that. You start a coroutine with IEnumerator. This kind of takes the place of the return type, like void, bool, or int. We're calling this wait, and we're going to pass that duration right into here. Now, don't worry if this next part looks a little weird. We're doing a yield return new wait for seconds real time, and giving it our duration. So what this does is, after this line, instead of going to the next one, it actually stops executing the code, waits for this duration, and then after that time has elapsed, it'll go back to doing what's beneath it. So what we want to do after that is set the timescale back to its default value of 1, so that we can go on with the rest of our game. We do have to go up here and call it, so we'll say start coroutine, we'll call wait, and we'll pass in the duration. Now that will actually do it. We can call stop and it will do a hit stop right now, but I would recommend adding at least one little layer of protection here, and this is going to keep us from accidentally calling it twice in the same frame. So we're going to make a bool called waiting, and this is going to end up being true whenever we're inside of this waiting block here. So the way to do that is just set it to true at the beginning and set it to false at the end. So then right here, we're just going to say if we're already waiting, then just return. We're not going to execute the rest of this if we're already waiting. So what's really nice about this is if you have two things call stop at the same time, or you have other things going on, like maybe some of them have different durations, or you end up adding in, instead of having it always be completely 0 for timescale, maybe you do a slow-mo thing instead, and this way you won't have any kind of conflicts there, because you can only call one at a time. And if you want, you can go ahead and implement more complicated resolutions to this kind of problem, depending on really exactly what you want your game to do. But for this example, we're going to stick to this more simple method because it'll be more widely applicable to any case. So now that that's all completed, we can go over to the create object and actually call this method. Now I'm using it on the crate here because the crate already has a script on it. I needed this method. Now I'm using it on... So now that that's all completed, we can go over to the...
What if we had it fucking... Oh my god. You're so big brain, Neko.
create object and actually call this method. Now I'm going to add in over to a full second just so we can really doing exactly what the method. You can give very to a full second just so we can really make it very obvious that this is happening. You can see it's definitely calling the method and stopping, but it's not really doing exactly what we want it to do. So it's replacing the object before we can even see the hit stop, and that might be what you want to do, but I'm going to venture a guess that most people probably don't want this to be what happens. So we'd probably want it to freeze as the object is being hit, and then after the hit stop, have it be destroyed. And I also even have this nice little flash white effect that's going on here, which we don't even see right now. Fab. So inside of here, we want to wait until so there's different ways you could make a while scale is in hit stop, get the next thing to do. But you can imagine if this while loop, there's actually kind of like imaginary brackets here. They're just not syntactically necessary. So it's going to reach the end of this while loop, and it's going to go back and check this condition again. And if it's still not equal to 1, it's just going to yield return null again. So it's going to keep waiting a frame and waiting a frame until the time scale is actually equal to 1, and then it's going to go ahead and exit the while loop and execute the code below. So after our hit stop is done, we actually want to do what's just up here. We want to instantiate this prefab and destroy the object. So instead of doing that there, we actually want to do start coroutine and wait for spawn. So now if we save this and head back into Unity, we can see that our hit stop is now working just like we wanted it to. Thank you for watching this video. My question for the comments section today is, what's your favorite feeling hit stop in a game? If you're new to the channel, go ahead and check out my other tutorials and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.
Sorry, I was like super locked in. Hi P2. Hi Pipe Games. I would not be able to develop a game even if you gave me 20 years to do it. This stuff is so confusing. Me too. Sorry, did you guys hear the did you guys hear the guy just like speak to me while I like fucking honed in? Apology. 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 Yes, Sadie, Sabi. You were absolutely locked in. You're good. Your Honor, this bitch was waiting so fucking long. You're actually talking again. It startled me. I forgot I had stream open. Hi, Romeo. Sorry. I didn't mean to scare you like that. I died. Oh my god. I died. Oh my god. I died. Where's that one fucking thing? Dude, I love that video of Leon Kennedy. I died. Oh no. This could actually just fuck things up. Shooting timer. Oh. No, we can just use this on both things. Where's this? Shooting functions, health functions, coroutines. And then we go to shooting function, shoot bullet, shoot part. Enemy targeted, part to be destroyed. Shake camera if bullets left. I think the camera shake should go. Juice. Start coroutine. Finish time stop. Game objects, camera shaker. Tool tip, hit stopper. This could just be wrong, by the way. I followed that tutorial to a T, but well, not to a T. There's one thing I changed. Your boy loves lerping. If you're a game dev, you should know how to lerp. I could go into like why I love lerping. Okay, the game's working. I was like, oh, what the freak? Join. Serial arm. Oh. Wait, join? I've been added. Zero all arm. Zero R arm. Fuck, I am just getting shot. It's so funny. There's something wrong? Oh, there's no hit stopper connected. I keep doing this. None of this is connected. Music slap, food smacks, lerp it to the edge, but do not know. Would you lerp? Would you lerp to the edge? I feel like edging is just lerping, right? Hello, game devs. Is lerping the same thing as edging? Yeah, it's not. I don't think it's working. Guys, I don't think it's working. Oh. I mean, it worked well enough. Let me see. Do 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 do. Actually, I really do not like this song. Yes, it's stuck. I thought I was really being big brain with this. Okay, we'll get rid of this. We're not even hitting the debug. We're not even hitting the debug. Oh, okay. Wait. Oh my god, we're so smart, dude. Dude, we are actually so smart. Oh my god. Oh my god, he's so smart. Oh my god. There we go. Sorry for the loud sighs. Sigh. Coding is hard. Join. Oop, shit. Arrow left arm. No, it's I really think I'm onto something and I'm not. This is so funny. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna write all the code that I wrote. Not a lot anyways, fine. I think this is part of it, yes. Just keep it simple. The fear of accidentally writing these commands in other people's chats is like so funny. They do have like a bunch of people's like stuff open, right? But I really do not want to just accidentally like,
As the object is being hit, to see,
you know, slap it in there and just be like, what the fuck? Where's the hit stop? Join 0L arm. Okay, something is wrong with something. Is it the finish time stop? Is it hold for hit stop? No, hold for hit stop's that one. I think it's this one. Finish time stop. Am I doing this section right? I made it simpler. Waiting true. Is this causing an issue? Oh, they need to be there, you know. Yeah, and I really thought I ate with that shit, huh? Oh. Oh. Oh, we're a fucking moron. Oh. This should still be there, though, I think. Start coroutine. I should have ads. Oh my god. Fuck. Well, we're close. Oh. Oh. Guys, we broke the project. Oops. My bad. Embarrassing. Sorry about that. I did in fact stick it in an infinite loop. I'm not gonna lie. Fellas, why you go to school, I guess? Not OBS. We need to shut Unity. Unity hub. Unity is not responding. Yes, I know. Whoops. Oopsie. Sometimes the big people who know how to code don't know how to code. Occasionally. That was so quirky of me. My bad. As much as I would like to use this, I do not think it will work. I think it will crash. I feel like it will crash again if I try to do this. But I think it would be kind of cool if it eased. Alright. Let's see. Well, Unity crash again because I'm stupid. Nope. There is an issue though. Probably just get rid of this. Okay. I think most of it actually is done. Most of all the work I need to do today, which is good. Most of it. I'm gonna play Deadlock now. Okay. Sick. Okay. Stream for like what, 5 hours? Minus the crashes? Okay. Y'all want to see Apex, Wukong, or more art? How are y'all feeling? Trying to look. Who do I want to like land in? Fuck, dude. I'm so. Oh my god, dude. Where am I? My Twitch froze and I thought stream died again. What are you talking? Anyways. What are you talking about? Okay. More art. How are y'all feeling? Sorry, I'm like, hello. Wow. My Twitch crashed. I can't believe I just fucking crashed at its Twitch. I'm so like, oh. Oh, I feel like I've been put in a meat grinder. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Who do I want to like sit down in? Just vibe. The knocking feature is so fucking annoying because I just don't want to press it. We can raid Shin. Shin is doing Shin's doing what the fuck is it called? Shin's doing Apex. Sorry, I'm like so dude, this is what happens when I code for like 5 hours. 4 hours. My brain turns to mush. Why I was like, I'm not gonna be doing Ape Sex, my favorite video game, Gay Sex Legends. Okay. We're gonna raid Shin. Shin's a good friend. They're playing Apex with Arpeggio. It looks fine, dude. I kind of want to re-download Apex. I'm not entirely sure though. Should I? Probably not. I'm gonna play Deadlock actually. Okay. Anyways, wait. Goodbye, Neko. Wait. Wait. I'm clowning. Use this one. Oh my god. Then I think you know where I'll be. Let's be realistic. Anyways, thank you guys for coming. Follow my socials. I have TikToks planned. I don't know, man. Trying to get back on that. I'm trying to get back on that. Content creation. Oh, it's fucking broken still. We're trying to get back on that content creation grind. Oh my god. I don't know, man. I love doing shorts. If you guys clip things though, I will most likely turn them into shorts. Fun fact. That's why I gave Romeo the official Neko 28 clipper. Here we go. Ending soon. Okay. That's it. No more code. No more code for the night. I can't think. My head hurts. A little bit, actually. It kind of, oh god, what the fuck? I'm onslaught of like headache. I'll be back tomorrow though. Upload the Dixon Dallas thing as a short. I might actually. Anyways, good night. Y'all have like 2 seconds. Bye bye.